When can we read Surah Al-Kahf and when can we do the Ghusl of Jum'ah? Whoever reads them in the night, in another hadith, whoever reads them during the day. So the night of Friday start Maghrib on a Thursday. So Maghrib on a Thursday until Maghrib on a Friday, this is the night and then the day. You can read it anytime. That's for Surah Al-Kahf. Amma for Ghusl, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioned on the day of Jum'ah. So it is preferable to make the Ghusl or to perform the ghusl after the adhan al-fajr. We had early predecessors who used to go to Salat al-Jum'ah right after Salat al-Fajr. So they would perform ghusl after adhan al-fajr. That's totally fine. But therefore, for those who will be praying Salat al-Jum'ah in the masjid, it is recommended for them to perform ghusl. If ever it happened that they could not perform ghusl, it didn't mean that they can't go. As long as they're tahir, they made ghusl way before, and on Yawm al-Jum'ah they didn't have the chance to make, it's okay. You can carry on. You can't say, oh, I didn't make ghusl today, I'm not going for Jum'ah. No, this is a mistake. How many people abstain from going for Salat al-Jum'ah and they're clean, they're praying Fajr, they're praying Asr, they're praying Dhuhr. You tell them, brother, let's go for Salat al-Jum'ah. They're like, I forgot to do ghusl in the morning. It's okay, it's totally fine. But this is one of the mistakes that people do, that they believe that if they haven't done ghusl on a Jum'ah, khalas, they can't pray al-Jum'ah. La abadan.